Hello everyone, so today I am giving you a demo on steamer. So while unboxing, let me tell you why did I purchase this in first place. So along with the preventive measure for cold, cough and coronavirus, it is also helpful for facial, hair spa and ironing clothes. So let's dip into procedure of each and every one in detail. So this is the nozzle from wherein we have to pour the water into device. This is the on off button. We have to press upward to on it. This is the red light which shows when the power is on, and these are the measurement 100 ml, 200 ml and 300 ml. Do not add water more than 300 ml as it is given the max level. So always take care of that. This is the measuring cup which we are going to use to add water in the device. One while steaming and 2 times while ironing clothes. This is brush kind of thing which we are going to use only at the time of ironing clothes. I will show you how to attach at the time of ironing. And this is basic instruction set about the device, the preventive measures and all other things required. So remember, it is 1 cup while steaming purpose. The measurement for steaming purpose should be below 200 ml, that is 1 cup of measurement, and do not ever keep above 200 as water droplets will come out and you may have burns on your face. The procedure for steaming at the time of facial has to be followed after the scrubbing. So within a minute or less the steam will be visible. Keep into mind that you have to be 15 to 20 centimeters away from the device, otherwise the hot droplets water may cause burning splashes on your face. So now you can see the water has started boiling and steam has already started coming out. So it's very quick, especially for the lazy people like us which do not follow the traditional method of steaming over the gas. So this was the easy procedure to be followed for facial and cold cup steaming. I found it very effective and it does its job perfectly. So in terms of rating, I'm gonna give it 5 star. So now heading towards hair spa, you have to apply these things mentioned on the screen previously to your hair, and take a towel dipped in warm water and just wrap around your hair and start the steaming. Image shown in left hand side is the way it's done in salon, but we are following this homely procedure and it is as effective as salon. So let me know if you want to know this procedure in detail. I will think of making another video for it. Steam your hair like this for 5 to 10 minutes and then you can wash off with your regular shampoo and conditioner. I found out this hair spa method very promising and that's why I'm gonna rate it 5 star again. Quickly heading towards the ironing, I'm taking 2 cups of water and you can see it is below 300 ml. Now attaching the brush, that will be helpful for steaming purpose as it will concentrate the steam towards one direction while ironing. The water quantity is a little bit more, it may take a bit more time than 1 minute. Can see it already started boiling. Let's start ironing process. Wow, can you see that? It's ironing perfectly. I am going to demo only on the half part of my top so that you can see the difference between the ironed and non-ironed part of the same. As mentioned in the instructions, that do not tilt this device backwards or frontwards as it may cause the damage to the electronic device. To be honest, I thought it would be much easier than the traditional ironing method, but seems like a bit work here. What I have observed is the steam causes the clothes to be wet, which may remain wet till 5 to 10 minutes, so I guess you have to bear with that. Also, the ironing is not as stiff as that we get from the traditional iron, so if your primary reason to buy this object is for iron, then you can think twice. Or maybe you can buy some other device which has a powerful steam. I don't know. I guess this works just fine. Okay, so let me show you closely how this looks like. You can see the right part is nicely plated while the left is bit crumbled. But what I have observed is after some time the right side also becomes a bit crippled, even though it is iron. So okay, so as in terms of rating, I'll give it a 4 star. Quickly, let's get into cleaning. I'm adding a small portion of vinegar, and then water will be same quantity as that of vinegar. That is, the ratio should be like 1:1 of vinegar and water. I'll pour this solution into the device and let it settle for 2 hours. So those who use groundwater should wash it regularly, like once or twice in a week as soon as the precipitate appears, or for the regular water users should wash whenever the device looks dirty. So that's it guys. I hope you have liked the video. Take a moment to subscribe and thank you for watching. The link and other details regarding this object is given in the description box below. Let me know in comments if you want something more.